into Lewis structure, that is nitrogen Lewis structure or dry nitrogen gas Lewis structure. So nitrogen is an element of group 5a, right? So nitrogen has 5 valence electron, right? So look, there is another way to find out the valence electron of nitrogen. Here is the electronic configuration of nitrogen, and second shell is the valence shell, and in valence shell we have 2 plus 3, that is 5 valence electron. So nitrogen has 5 valence electron, and we know that a atom or element wants to achieve octet, that is it needs 3 more electron to achieve octet. So this nitrogen will form 3 bond, right? We need 8, so here 5, we need 3 more electrons, so 3 more electron means 3 bond. However, so look, this is nitrogen. So one nitrogen atom has 5 valence electrons, so 2 nitrogen atom has 10 valence electron, right? So this 10 valence electron has 2 tasks. The first task is to connect these 2 nitrogen atom, and the second task is to satisfy the octet for both the atoms. So look, so at first this 10 valence electron will connect the 2 nitrogen atom first. So 2 dot means 1 line or bond, right? So to connect these 2 atom we have to use 2 valence electrons. So if I deduct 2, then I have 8 valence electron left, and this 8 valence electron will be used to satisfy the octet for any of these octet for nitrogen atoms. So look, this nitrogen has 2 valence electron, and this nitrogen has also 2 valence electron, and we have to distribute this 8. So this nitrogen, to fulfill octet, this nitrogen needs more 6 valence electrons, right? So we have used here 6, so we have 2 left, right? And this 2 valence electron will come here. Now calculate, this nitrogen has 2, 4, 6, 8, but this nitrogen has 2, 4. So this nitrogen needs 4 more electrons. So these 2 electrons will come here and will make 1 more bond, right? So now this nitrogen has 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, but this nitrogen has 2, 4, 6, 8. So to make octet for this nitrogen atom, we'll take electron from this nitrogen atom. So look, now this nitrogen atom has 2, 4, 6, 8, and this nitrogen has 2, 4, 6, 8. Overall here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Overall in nitrogen molecule or nitrogen gas we have 10 valence electron, and every nitrogen atom has 8 valence electron. So since 2 nitrogen has satisfied its octet, so this is the Lewis structure of nitrogen, right? So this is very simple. I have a blog post in the description box of this video, you can read that blog post. So now you can express this molecule like this. So 1, 2, 3 here, or like this, here, right? You can place the lone pair to anywhere, but generally we put above the nitrogen atom. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.